Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to draw Porsche Boxster step by step. Start with simple shapes: an elongated rectangle for the body, 2 circles for wheels, and a curved roofline. Keep proportions loose and use light strokes so you can adjust easily. Focus on wheelbase, window angle, and hood slope as the next steps. We will refine panels, add headlights, and finish with shading and highlights to sell the form. Now we tighten the pose by placing wheels and reinforcing perspective lines around the body. Draw ellipses for rims, add hubcaps, and define tire thickness to match the car's stance. Use a simple horizon or ground line and align wheel centers along it to keep the Boxster balanced. Lightly sketch the wheel arches and check proportions against the roofline. Correct any skew before moving to panel lines and doors. With structure in place, focus on distinctive Porsche details like the headlight shape, side intake, and soft fender curves. Use confident, slightly varied line weight to separate panels and emphasize the silhouette. Add window outlines, mirrors, and the simple rear spoiler if desired. Clean up construction marks and consider light shading to show the body planes. Finalize with highlights and darker shadows to give the drawing presence on the page.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.